And today, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to see Spain versus Finland.
A Spanish student normally wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning in school days. They don't need so much time in the morning because they normally live very near from school.
Whereas a Finnish student normally wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning in a school day. Why so early? Because compared to the Spanish people, they live farther from the school.
At 7:20, the Spanish student sits down to have its breakfast. They normally have a hot drink or a juice and they eat a toast, a sandwich or cookies.
Instead of that, Finnish people eat almidapa at 7 o'clock. They normally eat with butter, kurku, cheese or meat, and coffee or yogurt.
The Spanish school timetable lasts from 8:50 to 2:45, with 6 classes of 1 hour each and a half an hour break between the third and the fourth class. In that break, we have a second breakfast where we eat a sandwich or a piece of fruit.
But Finnish school timetable lasts from 8:20 to 2:30, with 4 classes of 1 hour and 15 minutes, and an hour break to have Louna from 11 to 12. They normally eat in the school where they can have salad and a little quantity of soup, meat or fish like lohi. They usually drink water or milk.
We reach home at 3 o'clock in the afternoon where we have lunch and we normally eat a piece of meat, fish or a soup and we drink water, a juice or a soft drink.
At 3 o'clock in the evening, they have balipala. They usually eat an appetizer which consists on leipa, pulla, carne a la empirica and coffee.
At 6 o'clock in the afternoon we have the Spanish merienda, where we eat something sweet, a hot drink or a sandwich.
After the balipala, between 5 and 6 o'clock, they eat palivalien. Finnish people normally eat soup or fish.
Spanish people have dinner at 10 o'clock and they usually eat something softer than in lunch, like salad, meat or fish, and we go to bed at 11:30.
Finally, we go to bed after half eat tapala. It is like a mulapa, but at 8 o'clock more or less.
And why do Finnish people have dinner so early?
This timetable is because of the sunlight hours. In winter, there is a little amount of sun during the day, so Finnish people need to use it. It depends too of the working timetables. Businesses open in the afternoon at 12. They close at 5 or 6 o'clock. And why do you do a second breakfast in the morning instead of lunch?
Because Spanish working timetables are very different from Finnish. At 11:30, when you have lunch and have stopped working, our people are still at work, so they can only eat a small piece of food. We need to wait until 3 o'clock to have a time to 5, so it's a longer time to have lunch.
They live farther.
Vale.
Ya está, ya en serio. A Finnish student
No,
normally
no,
wakes... Venga, en serio.
Otra vez. Repetimos. Venga. A Spanish school timetable lasts from 8:50 to 2:45 with 6 classes.
Yo creo que...
¿Por qué mierda te ríes?
Porque iba a empezar a hablar cuando... Iba a empezar a hablar cuando tú estabas hablando. A Finnish school time... But...
Repetimos. Venga, otra.
Spanish is... Aquí ya me lo sé y todo.
50 to 2:45. Spanish.
Ya, claro, te...
Repetimos, que no vale. Spanish school time.
Water or milk? A silly person. At 3... At 3... At 3, iba a decir trailer.
Repetimos.
Tizer with... Joder. A 12...
¿Qué?
Que no estaba grabando.
Yo te mato.
Pero si has sido tú la que estaba de pie.